my personal experiences, till now, what I've learned is when we are flexible and when we are willing to learn, upskill, we will have a lot of opportunities to move ahead in life. But if we are stagnant and we are stubborn enough, not to upskill ourselves or not to be flexible and be adamant, like I want only this, or my life has to be this way, then it becomes a little hard for our life to move in an upward way. Let me give example of myself. It was early 20s, and my husband was posted in one of the villages, one of the places called Barnihat in Meghalaya, and there was a requirement for a maths and science teacher. I wasn't a B.Ed then, and so I started working as a maths and science teacher. Later, I finished my bachelor's in education, B.Ed, and so for the post, I equipped myself. And later, to the other place that my husband got posted, there was no requirement for a maths and science teacher. They were needing a computer science faculty actually. So then later, I went and studied certification in networking essentials and postgraduate diploma in computer science faculty. Postgraduate diploma in computer science applications and different modalities like relational database management system, RDBMS and DBMS, and then front end user interface designing softwares, and then web page designing and all that. I did all those modalities, and then I took up a job as a computer science faculty for some time. Later, again, when my husband got posted to another place, there was no requirement for computer science faculty. Rather, that particular place needed a data publishing, operator, DTP operator, desktop publishing operator. Then I did a certification course in desktop publishing, and then put myself into that particular job. So my narration about my various experiences is that I could take my life forward and I could put myself into various contexts because I was willing to pursue certifications and pursue studies, and was flexible and trying to put myself whatever the context demanded of me. So through my example, I would tell myself also, and to those who are watching this video, that